Friday fish fry. This is just about done, but while we're working here, Cancer Can will probably kick on about halfway through this. I was having a lot of trouble getting this thing to work right, but a few pieces of this shoved into the right place on the plug, and now let's see if we can put this somewhere to work good. There's good old Lester watching. Here, Lester, I want you to come over here. What do you think, Lester? The plow working? You don't like the plow. It makes too much noise for him. All right. I'm going to see about doing dinner. Lester's trying to attack my phone because he doesn't want to do anything. He wants to go for a walk. Is what he wants to do. But like I said, I think my salmon just about perfect. Lester's, he's got food, but he don't want to eat his food. But all right. This thing is working. This truck runs. Next thing to do is get this box somewhat square on this puppy again. All right, that's enough of that. Lester wants to go for a walk and I want something to eat. He's camera shy. Okay, toodaloo.